Let's see. Let me pull up this slide here first. Okay, so welcome back. This is another session with swing trading with using technical analysis. What I will be doing in this one is in this episode, I'll I will be um, picking some live swing trades. Okay, so watch over my shoulder as we do live swing trading accounts. Learn the techniques that I explain as I explain it, and then learn to apply it in your own trading accounts. So just watch. I think the best way for you to learn how to trade is to watch somebody do it. I won't be selling you anything. This is just for educational purposes, just so you can see if swing trading is something that you would like to get into to trade in your own accounts. So today's session is December 23rd, 2014. What we will be doing today is we'll be screening for new swing trades. I want to point out you must know the overall market trend. Also, it's very important to do this right and quickly every day to keep a bullish stocks watch list, so that when the market is bullish, you can just go straight to this one and look for trades that are ripe to start trading. If the market is bearish, you would go to this list, keep a bearish stock list as well. And then you need a systematic way of screening, and I'll go over how I do it. And then you can watch me enter a few trades live. Again, I sell vertical trade options. I mean, a spread, vertical option spreads. And the advantage of this I talked about on the last video, but we may go more into detail about this in the future. But just note now today that that's what I will be entering. Okay, so get out of this. First thing, oh wait, there's one more slide. Okay, so the strategies we'll be doing for swing trading is, again, as always, the trend is your friend. Go with the general market direction, or again, go with the money flow index, which is one of the indicator that I will be showing you on each trade. I do not like to go against the money flow index. This is almost like the bigger wave that comes in and out of the market for each stock. And as a swing trader, you're not trying to force the market in any way. You're watching the market and follow which way it's going. If it's going up, you go up. If it goes down, you go down. You're only in it for about a week or two. You're hoping to get out within a week or two. And sometimes if it goes against you, you're in it for about a month or so. But so definitely you're just following the crowd in this kind of trading. So if the market is bearish, I would go swing bearish trades with weak stocks. I also use this indicator, SCTR, by StockCharts.com, and StockCharts.com is what I will be using to do that technical analysis. So I would go with this and I want the stock to be in the overbought territory. So when it's overbought, it tends to swing down. So I would pick the this combination. If you want to swing up, if the market is bullish, you would go with swing bullish trades and use stronger stocks with an SCTR of greater than 70. And you want to pick them up in the oversold positions, because when they're oversold, they tend to swing back up when they're ready. Okay. And then we also look for these indicators. We want to look for the stochastics to cross, or the MACD to cross. This tells me the momentum is turning around and going in the other direction. And then also I like to look for a confirmation. So either a price action shows a signal that's gonna go in your way in direction, or best if we have both, and the volume an increased volume when the stock is going in your way. That would be the confirmation for me to jump into the trade. So keep these rules in mind. And now we're going to go straight to look for some trades. Let's put this. We are going to Yahoo. I'll refresh the page so you can see. Actually, we'll go at finance. You can see today is December 23rd, 2014 at 10:26 Eastern Time. Um, Market is now open, and you can see it opened higher. The Nasdaq is dipping a little bit into a negative territory, but if you take a look at the general trend, it's been up for 5 days on the Dow. So this still looks bullish. What we would be looking for first then is a bullish trade. Now I'm going to go to my account on StockCharts.com. So I introduced you to this last time. It's the best charting software that you can get out there. And you can see you can chart trend line. You can put in your indicators um, for technical analysis. So what I would do here, I would go to member first, and then my stock list. You can see my watch lists are here. Yesterday we went over some swing trading trades that I was doing here. Today, let's look for swing trading with SCTR of 70. This means these are the bullish, the strong stocks, because we're gonna go bullish. 10 per trade. Okay. So this is my strong stocks watch list. Let's go over the indicators first. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of stocks, and each one of them has the same indicators. So this is Apple. SCTR here is a popularity score that so Apple within its group of stocks, its peers, it is very popular. It's 86, almost like an 86 percentile. So in 100 stocks in its class, Apple is more popular than 84 of them. Okay, so if it's over 70, I would consider this a strong stock. So that is what we're looking for. So here it's I'll be a little bit wary here because we can see a drop in popularity here, and you can see the stock, it has been up and it's went back down for the last 3 weeks. It bounced off support here at this moving average, this blue line, and it's trying to go back up. I tried to put in a bullish trade at this point, but it failed to open. So it kind of, yeah, so I put in blue, but I still kept it there. But you can see from Apple in the last, in the past, I've had successful trades on this. Here's a swing trade, went from the bottom here to the top here, and made a $50 profit on this. I sold it because the signal was getting weak. Here's another swing trade from here, bought here, got out here. Profit here was only 20. And then here, I bought here, got out here. And this one I made $34. Okay, so here, bounce off. Looks like it's trying to go back up. I don't have a strong volume going up at this time. So I do want to look at for that signal. And the MFI, this is the money flow index. It's been down and then it's going back up. Okay. CCI also has dipped out into the oversold territory and it's bouncing back up. Stochastic also down and up, so that crossed. And the MACD, very strong. It's about to go back up right here. And very powerful stuff. Look in the past when the MACD crossed back up. It's right here. Go back up and see what happened to the stock at that time. Boom, it bounced and it flew. Look back here again. Stock MACD crossed right here, crossed back up. Let's see what happened to the stock price. See, one jump back up. Okay, so when the MACD crosses, that's a big thing. When the MACD crossed down, look at here, crossed down. See what happened. Boom. Look at how that stock fell. So now it's about to go back up and things are coming back up. I don't have the volume to verify this yet. But it's a strong stock. Everything's reversing. I think this is good enough for me. Let's enter a trade here. Uh, um, so actually, I don't have my trading software open up. Well, I'll have to enter it in another one because I have to log into my system. But we'll just go through and look for some trades at this point, okay? Um, so the next one is ABT, Abbott Labs. It's not as popular as Apple. There's SCTR is 66. You can see it bounced off resistance here, but actually today is a negative day for it. So it looks like it may be actually trending downward on this one. So I would bypass this one. You can see also this one. It's in the overbought territory coming down. So it's not a good trade to go bullish on this one. Okay. So I would skip. Adobe is also not very popular. It's not above 70. It's kind of breaking the trend. It's trying to come down. So I wouldn't go bullish on this one. So we skip. Bed Bath and Beyond, very popular, 96 on the SCTR. So it's a good bullish stock. It's going up on a trend, but it's already in the overbought territory. So I wouldn't enter it at this point. Best place to catch this one would be right here when it's bouncing off the bottom. Even though the MACD is crossing, it's just too overbought. I would stay away. Okay. Calgene, what happened to this guy? Definitely not a bullish stock right now. I would wait for it. It looks like it's coming off here. Maybe down here is when it may bounce back up if it's still strong, but it looks like SCTR is dropping, so I wouldn't get in on this one right now. Disney, I had a little a lot of a complicated play here, but I ended up doing okay with this one. But I can't explain that one right now, and it's overbought again. I wouldn't get into this one. DuPont, wow, big jump right here. The best place to buy this one would have been here. The SCTR was 74, but I wasn't in the market at the time, so I didn't catch it. See, if you were to buy that one, money flow index is turning around now. We already missed the entry point here, so I wouldn't get in now. Now it's too high. It may bounce back down. eBay again, it's been good. It is a strong stock, and I had a little loss here. Actually, I thought it would turn negative, but it went bullish on it. Again, overbought already, so I wouldn't get in at this point. FedEx. I did a good trade here. I made $64 on this swing. Earlier, I did made a I actually got out of this with a $13 profit. I thought it would turn down, but it actually went on. But $13 profit here, $64 profit on this one, and this one just bounced off support here. But the money flow index actually is still trending down, so I would wait on this one too. Volume is actually not confirming that it's going to go up, and SCTR actually looks like it's dropping, so I would hold off on this one at this point. So FIXI, this is a China index, very bullish in the last week, but and also a strong stock, but also it's down. So maybe things are actually turning down this week. So I'm not sure if a bullish trade is even a good trade at this time. Gilead very dropped a lot this week. I wouldn't touch it right now. This is IYR real estate fund. Today is actually a little negative day. I think actually it's overbought is actually gonna come down. So Coles also good stock, but I think it's already jumped too much. It's in the oversold territory. I mean overbought territory. So again, I wouldn't touch it. Um, you know what? Maybe today is not a good day to get into any trades, any bullish trades at all. Uh, Even though the stock market looks strong, it's bullish. Everything looks like it's in the overbought territory. Not a good area to get into a bullish swing trade. So yeah, I thought I would find a good trade for you today, but it doesn't look like it. So I think we'll end the video here. We'll go into it again on another day. Okay. Mm, let me just get out of here.